TV, couples and Christmas trees, gift wrapping and cheer. Just the worst time to be without someone special. In all the movies they're kissing in the snow, holding hands and mittens, baking together at home. Not like the movies when I'm walking in the snow, cold hands and mittens, eating gingerbread home alone. I dream of December nights, kissing under bright lights, snowflakes in my hair, carols playing in the air. I dream of December nights, kissing under bright lights, red bow in my hair, sleigh bells in the air. The only thing I'm missing is you. Stockings on fireplace, but in my living room, a single one with my name, knit sweaters and lace. Dressed up alone on the couch during cold winter days. In all the movies they're kissing in the snow, holding hands and mittens, baking together.
This one's been a little bit of a pill, but now she's settling down. She's like, yeah, I'm going to be all crazy and psychotic from 5 in the morning on, but when it's time for me to sleep, it's time for me to sleep, right? Yeah. Anyway, last night, I didn't feel well. I got like a sudden onburst of illness, so I was sneezing and coughing and having a not so fun time. So great, wonderful, fabulous. But anyway, I felt a little bit better this morning. I don't know what was going on, but drank my coffee. It wasn't that good, so a little bit disappointed. So we'll see if I can make myself a pot of something else, or maybe I'll go to Starbucks today. Maybe I'll treat myself to something.
Send your husband to Starbucks, you mean?
Well, I don't know if you're going to still be here. You might be at work. Who knows?
I thought you meant imminently.
Oh, no, because I'm still drinking this one. Imminently. That's like ominously. I'm luring over my beverage of the morning. Let's see, what do I need to do? I still need to go find something for my sister-in-law, so I'm debating either going to Costco this morning or heading up to the outlet stores to see if there's something there that might be good. I need to go get a gift card from my little brother, younger brother, I shouldn't say little, younger brother. And then I'm pretty much done with people, so yeah, this is pretty easy year. Everything came together rather quickly, and we're on the home stretch for the end of Vlogmas. Bamboo's starting to have a drinking problem. Yes, sir.
Pickles is distracted.
Are you trying to tell me something, Boo? The time to drink? Jesse Ocho. Jesse Ocho. 18. Sorry.
Yeah.
I told you
Yours
to
you can-
20, didn't I?
I know up to 100. In fact, I think I know all the way. I could go all the way up to 999 if I had the patience. It's a red. Nightfall. Another Spanish red. We've had bad luck with the Spanish
Yeah,
reds.
it seems like they're all from Spain, and I'm not a fan. So.
The Spanish white. Did we try the Spanish white yet? We did try
Yeah.
the Spanish. Yeah, we
It was
weren't
good.
impressed with the Spanish
Well, it wasn't
white.
bad. It was better than the reds.
Yeah.
I think he's just like, but it's time for advent calendars. And I think today is a special day. These have been like unusually numbered.
Yeah.
Like the big days are day
Great big
18.
one. So this can't be treats. This has got to be a toy. It feels like a toy. I feel something plushy in here.
Oh, bamboo.
Oh my God! Is it? Must be Santa. Must
It's
be
a
Santa.
gingerbread
Okay, no,
man.
it's not a Santa. It's a gingerbread.
What do you think, Boo Bear? Got a toy for you?
It doesn't squeak.
Is it just crinkly?
There's no squeak.
Aw.
Oh. Nope. No squeak.
Do you want some man? Do you want me to do sit pretty?
Sit pretty, Boo. Sit pretty for the man.
Yes.
Yes, good boy. Rawr.
Eat your cookie.
There you go. Does
Go
it
have
pass?
your cookie.
Does it pass the well? I guess you're gonna have to share it with your sister.
Yeah. They're already fighting it out. He's like, no, it's mine.
This is how they share toys.
Dead center for 18.
I'll just another cane.
It's been cane like the last 3 days.
Yeah. You think they're evenly distributed in the numbers, 8 of each.
Yeah, you would think
So
they
you
could
think
do
they'd
every
space
other
them
day. It's weird.
All right.
All right, day 18 on the storybook, top right corner. Oh, that's empty.
That's
right?
a past one. Oh, that was the 9. That's why it wanted to jump out for me. Okay.
What do we have?
Philip Kingsley, elasticizer booster,
I'm hearing this is really good
restoring
stuff.
conditioner. So this is for hairs.
Yep,
All right.
which I need. My hair is destroyed.
All right.
So I can't wait to try that out. Last but not least, chocolate.
Another Lindor milk chocolate truffle.
I didn't eat my last one. It's down there.
Yeah, it's still there.
Because I've had it before. I'm like, I'm not even intrigued to try it out. So
Yeah, I mean, we know they're good.
we'll share.
The only thing I'm missing is you, darling, you.